Hi everyone, it's Ava, and welcome back to your financial journey and the second video in our emergency fund series. In this first starter emergency fund video, we talked about what an emergency fund is, why it's important, and how to calculate how much your 1-month emergency fund should be. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can actually find the money to build your very first emergency fund by increasing your income. Whether you're employed full-time or part-time, in this age of freelancing and virtual work, as long as you're willing to put in the hard work, there are lots of options to increase your income. Here are a few good ways you can get started. 1. Pick up overtime or extra shifts at work. My sisters and I all started working when we were 14, helping out after school and on weekends with my mom's business. We still do that today, on top of all our school, personal, and other extracurricular activities. My parents and grandparents love the old saying, money doesn't grow on trees. I wish it did, but I guess we would have to deal with the problem of inflation. But in any case, let's save the subject of inflation for another day, and keep going with emergency funds for now. 2. Start a side gig using a skill you already have through sites like Fiverr or Upwork, where you can build your brand and a loyal customer base. 3. Make money in your off hours by doing something you love, such as giving math lessons, teaching a musical instrument or sport, babysitting, cooking, or doing other household duties. Supermarket and library bulletin boards are a great way to advertise your services, or you can use apps like TaskRabbit or Care. And of course, there's always the best form of marketing, word of mouth. 4. Participate in the sharing economy by renting a spare room on Airbnb or by renting your car when you're not using it via Turo. 5. Sell your gently used stuff through an online auction site like eBay, Poshmark, or local consignment shops. Or have a yard sale in your neighborhood or church. I don't think most of us have a lack of stuff at home. So start decluttering and see what you can get for those things that you no longer need or want. To set yourself up for financial success, see which of the ideas that we've just suggested might best help you bring in a few extra bucks over the next few months to help build up that emergency fund of yours. Or maybe you have some ideas of your own. And if you do, leave a comment below. It's possible your suggestions will help others along on their financial journey as well. And if you're still fairly young like me and my sisters, then check out my sister Caitlin's video here, where she talks about 10 great summer jobs for teens and how you might be able to start your own business this summer. Of course, increasing your income isn't the only way to get some extra cash and start building out your emergency fund. Another way to do that is by lowering your expenses. And that is what we'll be talking about in our next emergency fund video, 5 top money saving tips. Okay, my financial friend, I hope you found this video helpful. And leave a comment below to let us know what other money topics you'd want us to cover in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.